everyone, this is Madhu and I'm a Principal Product Strategist here at Thoughtworks. Be it regional festival events, new product launches, end of season sales, or a variety of other events, marketing event planning across industries is a manual and time-consuming process. It is a challenge spanning diverse sectors such as food and beverage, fashion, healthcare, and automotive that marketing teams have to look at multitude of data sources to tailor events to specific audiences. A lack of innovation in event planning often results in stagnant event engagement strategies. The enterprise marketing event planning solution from Thoughtworks, leveraging Google's Gemini, enables organizations to plan personalized marketing events in minutes rather than weeks, and emphasizes creating a variety of events that resonate deeply with customers. Imagine a world where marketing teams get a jump start in their planning process with an event calendar presented to them with a set of recommended marketing campaign events along with their schedules. Let's take a look at it through the demo. This is an AI-powered enterprise event calendar. For the purpose of demo, we have created a very simple interface to generate AI-powered events. Let us start choosing a time frame and a region for which we would like the marketing events be generated for. The solution behind the scenes looks at evaluating historical performance, searching for national and regional events and their schedules, analyzes customer shopping insights, and also looks at the enterprise-specific strategic guidance provided to the model in order to be able to recommend the right set of events for the specific region. These are the enterprise-powered events that are generated by the AI. Let's take a look at the events. There are two components in the solution. One is the enterprise event calendar, and the second one is the AI assistant. Let's take a look at one of those events that you see here. The planners will be able to view the marketing content that is generated, be it the campaign details, the promotion types, and also the image assets and the recommended duration. They have the ability to edit or modify the changes accordingly. They also get to view the reasons supporting this decision. All of this without them having to look at a multitude of data sources and reports. They also have the ability to accept or decline a specific event. They can also interact with a regional assist, which will allow them to interact using natural language and be able to understand some of the performance of the events in the past years. Here is an example that you see where a planner can really understand what has been the sales performance for the previous year. We expect the solution to help retailers plan and deliver highly engaging, personalized, and creative events in more cost-effective and timely ways. We also believe this will provide over 80% efficiency gains in the enterprise event planning process. It's not just about building AI solutions. It's about building them smarter, faster, and more securely with Google's ecosystem. Thoughtworks and Google Cloud are unlocking the future of engagement. Next-gen enterprise marketing event planning starts here. Thoughtworks is creating a new way to plan and personalize enterprise marketing events.